What's the meaning of anise? Anise. 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 Anise.
Anise refers to the seeds of a plant from the parsley family, which are used as a spice or flavoring in food and beverages. Anise has a distinctive sweet and licorice-like taste and aroma. It contains essential oils that are used in medicine and can be distilled into anise oil, which is used in perfumes, soaps, and toothpaste. The seeds can also be chewed to freshen breath and aid digestion. Anise has been used for centuries in cooking, medicine, and cultural traditions, and continues to be a popular spice today.